Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the goal for the steps or step goals on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the step goal on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch, and once you open the app you should see the health page, and on this page at the top you should see the activity widget. Tap on it and here we have our goals. As you can see, we have calorie goal, step goal and moving. And we are interested in the more options icon right here in the top right corner, so tap on it and then tap on stats. And here we have default goals, and as you can see we have calories, steps and moving, and we can tap on one of them to adjust the goal like this. So tap on steps to adjust the step goal, select the one you like, tap on OK. You can also move it or rather do it for moving as well. And once you're done with the goals, that should be updated in the app, and if you wake up the screen on your watch, open the activity app on your watch, it should also be updated on the watch. So that's how you change the step goal on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.